How to add music audio to Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how we can add music audio to Canva. So let's just get ahead with the process on and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First of all, head over to a browser and open up Canva on your laptop or PC. After that, you can just simply log in into your account and head over to a project where you want to add music to. For example, this one right here. So in order to add music to this particular project, you just need to head over to the left side of the screen and you can find this upload section where you can easily find this audio tab. So here you just need to export the audio from your device, or you can browse it from internet as well. Just tap on upload files and browse it from there and upload it in the audio section right here. So after the audio is uploaded, just click on it and it will be added on your particular project, just like that. So you may just adjust your music accordingly, edit it out according to preference, just do it. And that is it. That is how you basically add up music on your Canva. So follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.